Well, this is the very definition of good news. A new BMJ report, and BMJ is a large European conglomerate that does scientific and medical research studies, has found that the risk of dying within 5 years of a diagnosis of breast cancer is now 5%, down from 14% in the 1990s. The study involved more than 500,000 patients with early invasive breast cancer and has found that most women, the prognosis was hugely improved and became long-term cancer survivors. This is just amazing news and bodes incredibly well for how well treatment will progress even further in the future. You know, the 5% of mortality is translates to 95% survival, going from 14 to 5%, from 86% survival to 95%. Boy, is that going in the right direction. And someday it'll be zero. Early warning signs, early checking, mammograms, all that stuff, super important to take advantage of these numbers. And treatments are getting better and better every day. So that's pretty exciting news. My brother lost his wife and my nephew's mother to breast cancer. So this one hits close to home. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.